Okay, New York session done. I'm on my mobile setup at the moment. I'm on vacation. Just got back to the hotel and had a quick look at the charts. Immediately saw my trade on GJ. So GJ hard time frame breakout levels are all bullish. Peak bias are all bullish as well. We have 86% bullish confluence on this trade. And what I like about this, I saw that the weekly is in breakout continuation and the monthly is in a bullish breakout cycle. So this tells me that the monthly is bullish, and we are above that weekly breakout level. Price came up, faked out the previous week high, then it came down, faked out the previous week low, and this is a breakout continuation. Breakout continuations tell me that the peak is possibly not locked in, and I would expect price to get back up to at least this level. So this is the trade that I took. What I saw also is the weekly is in breakout continuation. This is a great cycle to trade, and daily is in trend reversal. So I saw my entry pattern here. We have the breakout level right here. Price came down, faked out the previous day low, and this is a breakout reversal. Flipping that breakout level is a false breakout, and then getting above the previous day high is a trend reversal. So this reverses the trend, and now price is bullish. So I saw that the H1 bar closed above, and then I just immediately took this trade on the continuation. Stops are a little bit larger than I usually take, and the reason why is because I'm on vacation. I don't know how often I'll be able to check my trades. So I'm just going to keep this stop wide stop on this H1 bar, and I'm just going to let this run, and that's it. So one thing I want to point out is that when I'm on my mobile setup, I don't have all those different charts, all those different screens, and I don't have a second screen to have a look at other things. But all the information that I need to see, I can see all in one time frame. So I can see the higher time frame breakout levels. I can see which peak has been triggered. I can see if how the bars have closed, how the previous bar has closed, and I can see the analysis here, how many of these higher time frame breakout levels are bullish and how many of the peak bias are bullish as well. So I can immediately see that quickly, and I can also see which cycles that the time frames are in. So on the H1, I'm trading the weekly levels, so I can see the weekly cycle is in breakout continuation, and then on the weekly, the daily is the momentum time frame, and I can see what cycle that momentum time frame is in, and then I can see the higher time frame, the month as well. So on the monthly, it was at previous breakout level. Price, I think this was a fake out retracement, if I'm not mistaken. So it's a bullish breakout bar. So price came up, came down. That's a false breakout move. And then last month, it faked out the previous month low. Forgot to bring my mouse, so it's a little bit difficult for me to navigate the charts, but trying my best here. Faked out the previous month low. This is a fake out retracement, and then we broke out above the previous month high. It's a little bit hard to see here, but there's a previous month high over here. This is a retracement breakout. So monthly traders are in a bullish move, and most of these moves want to get to that breakout level. It did get there, and then it closed in breakout, closed above, and now we're still above that monthly breakout level. So I'm bullish on the monthly. And if I drop down to the weekly, this is the time frame that I took it on. Like I said, everything I need to see, I could see all in one time frame. And one of the advantages of having multiple screens is that I can just drop down to lower time frames and pinpoint an even tighter entry. But if I'm just trading one time frame like this, I don't need to drop down. I don't need to look at higher time frames. Everything I need to see to take a trade on this weekly level and daily momentum, I can see all in one screen. So it's not necessary to have all those screens. You can take trades all just on one time frame. So I just wanted to point that out. You can make momentum theory as simple as you want, or you can make it as complicated as you want. And if I'm on mobile and if I'm on vacation, I definitely want to trade very simple. So took this one. And that's it. So let's see if this wants to continue up. There's a fake out level here. I probably should see how price behaves here. If I have an opportunity to check my trades later on. I'll kind of go break even if price gets here. Otherwise, I just want to leave this all the way up. So that's about 2.3R, and that's it.